from prescriptions like the refill, don't care. Self-medicate till the mirror's unclear. Therapist whispers there's no need to fear, but the hourglass drips like a leak in my veins. Silent rooms echo with unspoken pains. Lost in the static, where sadness is tragic. Truths in the attic, and dopamine magic. Cops drive slow with their eyes full of dread. Life's full of lessons, but I skip them instead. Mind in the gutter, but rent hits the sky. Divas and divas, but the nights amplify. She moves for the crowd with mascara like rain. Hopes on a tab, I'll just borrow again. Strangers in bed, but the sheets feel like stone. Last unrehearsed, like my heart's not my own. Everyone's acting for likes on demand. Tears for the cameras that don't understand. Lost in the static, where sadness is tragic. Juice in the attic, and dopamine magic. Cops drive slow with their eyes full of dread. Life's full of lessons, but I skip them instead. Pills ease the ache, but the ache runs too deep. Feelings break loose when I'm losing my sleep. Blue lights behind me, my grip turns to steel. Hands on the wheel, but the fear is too real. Lost in the static, where sadness is tragic. Truths in the attic, and dopamine magic. Cops drive slow with their eyes full of dread.